Namaste Vidya. I, GV and Nishu Sharma, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Department of Science and Technology. Today our topic is operating system services. So what is the operating system services and how can we view it? So user and in this diagram we discuss the all the things. How can we access the operating system services? Suppose first one is hardware. Hardware like your keyboard, your desktop, your mouse, and what is operating system or operating system like your Windows 7, Windows 8, and which services you use. We use your program execution services, input output operation, file system communication, resources allocation like for accounting, for protection and security, for error detection. These all are the services. And uh, in which services, which interface we use graphical user interface, we use batch, we use command line in the user interface. And who use these interfaces? User and the other system programs uses in the operating system. So these all are the operating system services. Now we discuss all the point in the which is given in the diagram one by one. So, what is operating system? One set of operating system provide functions that are helpful to the user communication. In this process may exchange information on the same computer or the between computer over a network communication. Maybe by your shared memory, your through your message passing packets moved by the OS, uh, error detection. OS need, yani operating system need to be constantly aware of possible error may occur in the CPU and the memory, hardware in the input output device in user program. For each type of error, operating system should take care in the appropriate action to ensure correct and consistent computing. Debugging facilities and greatly enhance the user and the program ability to efficiently use the system. Third one is another set of operating system function exist for the ensuring the efficient operation of the system itself by your resources sharing. What is resource allocation? So resource allocation means when multiple user or multiple job running concurrently, resources must be allocated to each of them. Many type of resources like your CPU cycle, main memory, file storage may have special allocation code, such as your input output devices may have general request and release code. uh, what is accounting to keep track of each user how much and what kind of computer resources. Protection and security, the owner of the information stored in a multi-user or network computer system may want to control use of that information. Concurrent process should not interfere with each other. Uh, in terms of protection, it involves ensuring that all access to system resources is controlled. Security of the system from outside requires user authentication extend to defending external input devices from invalid access attempt. If a system is to be protected and secure, precaution must be instituted through it. A chain is only as strong as its weakest link. With your operating system interface, we use CLI. So CLI means command line interface or command interpret allow directly command entry. Sometimes implemented in kernel, sometimes by system program, sometimes multiple flavors implemented shells. Primarily fetches a command from user and execute it. Sometimes command built in, sometimes just name for the program. If the later adding new feature doesn't require shell modification. What is user operating system interface, which is called as a GUI? So it is user friendly desktop metaphor interface. Usually mouse, keyboard, and monitor. Icon represent files, program, action. Various mouse button or over object in the interface cause various action. Invented at a Xerox PARC. Many systems not include both CLI and GUI interfaces. Microsoft in Windows is GUI with CLI command cell. Apple Mac OS X as Aqua GUI interface with Unix kernel underneath and shell available. Solaris in CLI with optional GUI interfaces. That is your Java, desktop, KDE. These all are the operating system interfaces. So if you have any query and in doubt, then mention me on the comment box. Thank you for watching. This session is powered by Digital World 2.0 JOT with the Women's University. Thank you.